pick it back up, or what?
Yeah, I'm going to have to, if he tips that over, I like round Spaunton Quarry with Teddy on this full adventure spec Fantic 450. Here he goes. Go on, Teddy lad. Come on. Oh, he stalled it. Oh, he's causing tailback. No. Look at him go! That's a big bike for a little boy. Yes, Teddy! Don't need that shorter route. Let's go along. Oh, it's a slow lap, is this round here with Teddy on that. We'll stick with it. Heavily edit it, I think, because it could be pretty boring. Oh man, I've got people doing the panic rev thing behind me. It's embarrassing. Oh, he's got his first Teddy stopper. Oh, he's done that lovely. You all right, Ted? He should now be called Steady Teddy. Look at the tailback behind him. Come on, Teddy lad, get it gone. Bit of tree verse on the old Fantic. This is sketchy for him, is this? Oh, he's losing it. He's losing back end. Yes, Teddy. I'll see you at the top. Where did they join us back in? Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm getting some cinematic shots of Ted here aboard the new Fantic 450. Who wants Teddy to bin it? Because I certainly do. Send it! I can't tell if he's loving that or not. Definitely steady Teddy now, isn't he? Everyone who's been saying how fast Teddy's looking at last videos on the trumpet, take it back. Oh, what a shot! Woo! Oh. It's a bit annoying because I'd really like to go sendy with him. Teddy's had a big crash in here before. What's he going to do here? What about roots, Teddy lad? Teddy! Oh, he still fires a bit of roost up, does Teddy, on that. Must be his riding style. First lap, do not know the track. What are we doing? Because this isn't as good either, we need to be behind Teddy, don't we? Are we learning the track? Or are we just sending it into everything? I think we'll film him down there, it looks sick. I'll give him the old sign. Send it, Ted! Yeah! Come on, Tedward. Could have done with a little bit of momentum. He's not feeling the off cambers, are you, Ted? Very steady on the off cambers. Ben's fast on these motocrossy bits. Vision is severely impaired. I don't know if that's coming across on the camera lens or not. I'm prioritising the lens over the goggles. I shouldn't be because I can't see a thing. I've got a feeling that is Leroy. I'm alright, you? Oh, it's lovely. I'm often in too high a gear, aren't I? Oh, nearly went over the tops. She's wet. Oh, but shoot, this is what happens on your first lap. Man, no, nothing. Whoa, back went out. Big step out. Did you see it? No, because the camera's facing forward. Whoa. Whoa! Oh my god! I nearly lost the front. Oh, that's something in my eye. That might be a pullover job. That is proper in my eye, yeah. Oh. Big bit of chunk. This is what happens when you take your goggles off. I think we can't hear it on the camera, but he's definitely offering him out here, starting on him. It's so hard, he's Ted. If you didn't know, he's like black belt jiu-jitsu British champion. Look at him, it's obvious when you look at him. Alright, let's go. Right, no goggles. I hate riding with no goggles. Oh, nearly. Go, just go, you'll get round them. Go on, Ted. Lovely. Bloody lovely. It's barking at me. Oh, he stalled it. Now I'm going to get a roost. Maybe not. head down, no goggles. Overlock, Ted, overlock, go on lad. Oh, it's banging! It pops and bangs! Again, you can't ride it. It's pissing it down. I'll give Teddy one thing. I think he's the best adventure bike rider here today. Teddy's holding everyone up. Big off cam. Is Teddy going to bin it? He's lost it. Who's Paul? No, that's Teddy. Oh, it's lashing it down now. That is bad. We need to wait for Teddy, don't we? Oh my god, it is so wet.